Hi, buddy. Looky here, buddy. Come here, looky here, sweet thing. No, is that a little scary coming in for the first time? Houston's new with us. Oh, he's a big, hunky, yellow lab boy. Yes, he is, just as friendly as he can be. You're not quite used to this yet, are you, sweetheart? Is it noisy for you here? You gorgeous hunk. Oh, you're such a beautiful boy. Yes, you are. Oh, I love you. You are gorgeous. Yes, you are. What a good boy. Yeah, we need to find you a great home, don't we, little guy? Yes, you are. You want some big-time loving? Then you better come see Houston.